Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys hotspot setting, and today video title guys how to set up portable hotspot in Redmi mobiles. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile hotspot setting, you want to set up your mobile hotspot. So how to set up one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So without waste time guys, open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, click your hotspot. Portable hotspot friends you want to on, so friends click here and you can on your mobile hotspot and you can use it. After on friends, you can check hotspot icon will show on status bar. Set up hotspot friends, click here. First of all friends, you can check your hotspot device network name, and second friends you can check hotspot password. So friends, you want to set new password, so friends remove this old password and friends you can set new password, and guys your password should 8 digit and letter, because guys if you use 7 letter and 7 digits, so you cannot change hotspot password. So friends, I will enter 001122, and friends you can see 6, and friends if I click 3, friends you can say I cannot change hotspot password. When friends I will click 4, after 8 digit I can change my hotspot password will change. And friends, you want to change hotspot device name, so you can change. Friends, I will change into hotspot Redmi, hotspot Redmi, right click, device name will rename. Friends, share QR code option, if you click here you can share your mobile network, Wi-Fi network, mobile to mobile. One time data limit, click here friends, you can set data limit. But friends, first you will have to own one time data limit, then friends you can set data limit from here. And friends, if you click custom option, so you can set data limit in GB. So friends, I will set here 100 MB, and you don't want to use data limit setting, you can off data limit. Turn off hotspot automatically when no device are connected. So friends, you want to use turn off hotspot automatic setting, so you can on and you can use it. Last option friends, connected device setting, click here. Limit of connected device you can check from here. You want to change your limit of connected device, so you can change 1 2 3 4 5 6, you can change. Hotspot block list friends, you can check from here and you can unblock from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set up mobile hotspot in Redmi mobile. And friends, you don't want to hotspot setting, click here. After turn off friends, you cannot use your hotspot setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.